toe here,
Okay.
and
Boy, that does a good job.
yep. You know, it's so much easier
Wow.
from down at this end
Yeah,
than it is
I bet.
up there. And having the right instruments
Sure.
makes a big difference, so.
Yeah, and I had the nails yanked off in the hospital in North.
Yanked
Wow.
off, I doubt it was done like that, but it was probably done with quite a bit of precision.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the nails removed.
Yeah, and he was hoping it wouldn't come back at all.
Mm-hmm.
And it started growing from every which way. So they're both like that.
Yeah. You know, at some point, if you get your sugars under control and if it becomes a problem, what we do is we can just redo the procedure, because it's not very common that they come back.
Huh.
But it looks like the nail growth center, which is back here,
Mhm.
that some cells were left over here and then just a couple over here. That's why that nail's growing. But yeah, I mean, it's something we can redo, but we would definitely want your sugars controlled
Sure.
in order to know that it will heal. You test them every day?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do they generally run in the mornings?
Anywhere from 140 to 200.
And you're not on insulin, just the oral?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so that's a little piece of new nail growing there.
Mhm.
Does this piece get caught on socks and stuff?
Yeah. Yeah. You know, most of the time I kept them short, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and so they would get caught on that second nail next to the toe. Yep.
Okay. Okay, we'll have you come over here. Are you able to turn this up a little? There, great. Thank you.
Yep.
And I don't have to stand on my head,
Sure.
which I would do if I had to, but. I'll lower you just a little bit here.
Okay.
How long ago did they remove the nail when you were in the hospital?
How long ago?
Yeah, do you recall?
I was 20,
Oh, okay.
22 or something like that.
So about 107 years ago? Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Feel like we were all 22 about 107 years ago, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a little drill to thin them out. And I'm going to start over on the left foot here, so you can just stay there. All right, so you might feel some vibration or you might not. Now this black is just a bruise under the nail.
Yeah.
Nothing to worry about.
Oh, it's come off several times
Yeah, okay.
in my lifetime, yeah. Relax your foot for me. Relax.
There you go. Yeah. So about the swelling,
Yeah,
I think it would be very much worth it to get you a referral to the lymphedema clinic, for starters, and then,
well, it's gonna have to wait a month
okay? Yeah,
or better. I'm having surgery for kidney cancer,
okay.
October 2nd.
Okay. When did they find that? How long ago?
They found it maybe 3 years ago when I had cancer of colon,
Okay.
and they found it, and then when they looked at it last year, I fell once in the back of my head, and I was in hospice for like 3 months, and then 4 more months of rehabbing,
Wonderful.
strong enough to get out.
Not many people survive hospice.
No, they all told me that.
Well, here's what we can do then. I mean, if going to that clinic is gonna be too much time and energy and stuff, maybe what we could do is I could contact the company that has this pump that you can do at home,
Mm-hmm.
and they can get all the paperwork going, and then they'll come out to your house to set it up and show you how to use it. And it would be better than nothing.
Yeah.
And it will keep you more comfortable and try and keep the sores on the legs down.
Yeah,
So if you want to do that, I can get that ball rolling, and there's nothing for you to do until they come out to your house.
okay.
So I'll leave that up to you. If it just
Yeah.
feels like too much, we won't do it. But,
Okay.
okay, thanks.